Brazil has taken a major step towards imposing a limit on public spending for 20 years. The Senate has approved the move, a crucial part of an austerity drive aimed at pulling the country out of recession. The constitutional amendment approving the cap comfortably received over the 3/5 required majority. Senators still need to vote on some details of the bill, including whether to exempt education and health from the spending limits. President Temer, who took office earlier this year, has promised to control a growing budget deficit. He says the cap, which limits government spending to the rate of inflation for 20 years, will be followed by a reform of Brazil's pension system. The vote in the Senate prompted demonstrations here in Sao Paulo and across the country as people called for the president to resign. Protesters argue the cuts will undermine education and health services and will hurt the poor in Brazil. There's nothing to say. You can't just throw away or freeze the future of millions of Brazilians for 20 years. Today, the senators approved a great step backwards for the whole country. The protest turned violent in Sao Paulo, where some demonstrators attacked the state's industry federation headquarters. There were also clashes in the capital Brasilia and in several other cities and states.